Hey everyone, as always, it is Andrew from MAO Magic, and I am here with a very novel idea, Bumpies. I don't know what you want to call them, but it's not really a case, but it's a protector for your phone, or at least the corners, and I guess we'll get into that in a minute. But anyway, these are for the iPhone 6, or the 6 Plus version here. They have them for several different phones, including many Android phones, Galaxy phones, and the such. It has really interesting packaging. It's actually kind of cool. It kind of folds around here. You have the instructions on the inside, which are pretty basic, but I'm going to walk you through that all anyway. I definitely just really wanted to try these out because they were kind of cool, and for those people who don't like cases, this may be something that'll interest you. The blue was a bit colorful for me, but they have a lot of different colors, including a gray one. But just for fun, we're going to go ahead and try the blue ones today and just see how well they work out, because I was definitely very questionable. Like, why are these plastic? Why are they so hard? Why aren't they using something like silicone instead? But they assured me they did all the testing, and they have like Pro-Dine to dissipate the impacts if you drop your phone. And they have tiny little adhesives inside. So one of my main concerns was, what happens if you take these off and then want to re-adhere them because you don't have any more silicone, or not silicone, but you don't have any more tape. And when I contacted them, they said they would just ship out, they would just get some new tape if you ever wanted to re-adhere them or anything like that. So that was my first concern. I don't understand why they didn't put it in there, but I guess because it was harder for people to actually do it, so they just do it upon request. But it's pretty easy to install. So you're going to need your phone. You're going to need the Bumpies sleeve here, and then you're also going to need, and that's part of the case, you're going to need the Bumpies themselves, and you're going to need a alcohol swab wipe thing that you find at like a doctor's office. But you're just going to go ahead and wipe all of the corners of your phone, and like really wipe them good, and then don't touch them. Any oil that's going to get on that is going to just ruin your Bumpies. Then you're going to have to contact them and say, hey, I need more sticky stuff. They're going to have to mail it to you, and then you're going to be sitting there with like 3 Bumpies on your phone for like the next week until that stuff gets to you. So just don't touch the corners. Don't do it. So put your phone in, and I don't think this is necessary, really. So I thought it was kind of a cool idea, and I still think it's a cool idea. And you can see like the little cutouts on the corner of your phone. And after I kind of did this a couple times, I was just like, I feel like I just don't need this. I feel like I got to just put these on myself. But maybe they do help more in just the fact that I've done it a couple times. It was very easy. I'm not sure, but you can do it if you'd like to. It makes it maybe a little bit easier, but you're basically going to remove the backing from the double-sided tape, and you're just going to push these onto your phone. And when I mean push them on there, I mean hold them for 30 seconds. Don't let go for 30. Push hard, like hold on, don't break your phone, but hold them there for 30 seconds, and do it on every single corner. If it takes you less than 2 minutes, you did something wrong. Okay? Because if you don't hold them, they are not going to adhere correctly. Then you're going to have to contact them for more stuff and go through all of that. Now, once the corners are on your phone, the Bumpies are on, don't slide your phone out. Unbuckle it. Like, take it out like a baby out of a car seat. Okay? You don't want to slide through it. You're just going to rip them off, and then you're going to have to contact them for more adhesive and wait, all that. Don't do it. Just unbuckle it like that if you're going to use the sleeve. With the Bumpies on, you'll notice that it does keep your phone off the table, so it's going to prevent that camera from touching like the surface, which a lot of people have issues with, as well as the screen from hitting the surface. Now, they say they've done a lot of testing as far as drop tests go, and they seem to perform well. I don't have just spare phones lying around, so I'm not going to go ahead and test that. But that right there was my main issue. One of my Bumpies kept falling off, but after I tried re-adhering it again with a new set, everything worked flawlessly, and they stayed on there for weeks until I finally decided to remove them. So if they do not install the first time, contact them, and they'll help you out. If you have any questions, throw them up in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.